C0 plus 3C1 plus 5C2 plus so on 2n plus 1 Cn equals to 2n plus 2 into 2 power n minus 1. Okay. Here LHS ఏంటి? LHS part ఏంటి? LHS. So C0 plus 3C1 plus 5C2 plus so on 2n plus 1 Cn. దీన్ని S అనుకోండి. So S equals to write the terms in reverse process. 2n plus 1 Cn. Before number 2n minus 1 Cn minus 1 plus so on 3C1 plus C0. That equals to 2n plus 1 Cn equals to C0. Ncn equals to Nc0 plus 2n minus 1, this is C1 plus so on 3C1 is nothing but n minus 1. So Nc1 equals to Ncn minus 1. So Cn equals to Cn. See, first equation is say 1. Okay, second one is say 2. This equation. So add 1 and 2. See, yes, 2 value kuda yes equals to. So see now, C0 plus 2n plus 1 C0. See carefully. Okay, right. C0 plus 2n plus 1 C0. Next, 3C1 plus 2n minus 1 C1 plus so on. Okay. Last, 2n plus 1 Cn plus Cn. So from the first two terms here s plus s is 2s. Same take 2n plus 1 is C0 is the common. C0 is the common. Here what is there? 1 plus 2n plus 1. Here also C1 is the common. So 3 plus 2n minus 1 plus so on. Here also Cn is the common. 2n plus 1 plus 1. So 2n. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2n plus 2 into C0. 2n. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2n plus 1 into C1. 2n plus 2 into C1. So on 2n plus 2 into Cn. 2n plus 2 is the common term. So C0 plus C1 plus C2 plus so on Cn. So 2n plus 2. This is the expansion of 2 power n. 2 power n. What is this? 2s. S equals to 2n plus 2 into 2 power n. 2 transpose to right side divided by 2. So that equals to 2n plus 2. Here nothing is there means 1. A power m by a power n. A power m minus l. So s equals to. What is the value of s? S means what? So C0 plus 3C1. S value C0 plus 3C1 plus 5C2 plus so on 2n plus 1 Cn equals to, what is the value? Final value, result value 2n plus 2 into 2 power n minus 1.